In this video, I'm sharing with you my first revision of my trading plan for trading options as a beginner. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nick. I hope you get value out of this video. If you are an experienced trader and you happen to be watching this video, I would appreciate if you have any strategy or ideas where I could improve my trading plan. Please let me know in the comments below. Like I said, this is first revision because I think it is something that will change and adapt over time. But I gotta let you know that my overall goal is to put on 10% gains every single trading day. And then I worked into my plan sort of a way that I can take one loss and make two gains and still hit that 10% gain goal on the day. I have my trading plan right here on this little card. I will show you that in just a second, but I want to make you aware, if you're not already aware, if you're not a consistent viewer of this channel, that I am paper trading. I'm using my Webull desktop app account to paper trade on the stock market to trade these options so that I can get practice and get better before I risk using my own money. I have lost a lot of money in the past, several thousands of dollars, and I just don't want to do that again. So I'm paper trading right now. If you're interested in paper trading and you want to get started, there's a link in the description below that if you click on it and sign up with Webull and fund your account up to $100, you'll get something like 20 or 24 fractional shares. And then you can use that money, it's literally free money, from Webull to trade your own options. I'm doing a 90-day challenge currently, and so far out of all 90 days, 6 days in, I have a 100% successful win rate. That is 6-0, no lost days currently. And so hopefully by putting this trading plan into action, that will continue going. All right, so let's look at my trading plan and I'll kind of explain where I'm at with it. Trading plan, first revision. Only use 1/3 or 33% of my total account per trade. And the reason for that is if I YOLO it, if I put all the money in at once and it goes south, I lose everything at once. And so if I put 1/3 in and it goes south, then I can sell that at a predetermined 10% down on the trade loss. And then I can use the other 2/3 of the account to hopefully take a 24% or better gain on the trade. I've been doing way better than 24% gains on all of my trades so far. Beginner's luck, maybe you be the judge of that. The goal is, like I said, 10% gain on my overall account every day. If I can successfully accomplish this paper trading using fake money simulation trading for 90 days, I will then fund my account with $1,000 and start again. Now, that being said, I did put together a little spreadsheet that kind of shows the loss and the wins. And so we'll just kind of jump onto my computer here and I'll share with you how that sort of looks. And you can get an idea of what my thought process is on that. Here's my desktop here. You can see I have at the top trade number. So these are trades, 3 trades per day. Gives the starting amount. So the starting amount is 1,000. You see that right here. Those 330 is the 1/3 of the account. And then whenever I click on this, you can see it's B3, which is that cell, times 0.9. So that's a 10% loss. And then when you go down to the next one, this would be a 25, should say 24% gain. We'll just stick with 25 for now. That's the 25% gain. Here is the 25% gain, and so on and so forth. The losses are the first line, and then the gains are the second and third line. Now, obviously, whenever I'm trading, that could be switched up. First trade could be a win, then a loss, then a win. It can go a variety of ways. But for the sake of this video, this is sort of how I'm looking at it. So we see 1, 2, 3. That's trades 1, 2, 3. And then we have our total. So started with 1,000, and then we look at 1,122. Now, my first day trading with my paper trading, I doubled my money. I went from $1,000 to $2,004. So we're beyond this. We have $4,000 in the account right now after 6 days of trading. And so this shows that we should be somewhere like, $2,000. We're at 4,000. So we're doing exceptionally well. But this is sort of my thought process. And then after 90 trades or 30 trading days, about a month and a half, you would look at something like $42,000. Now, is this realistic? Probably not, because as I get higher in the numbers and still a beginner at that point, I will probably lose a significant amount. But this is sort of perfect scenario of 1 step back, 2 steps forward. That's sort of how I am looking at it. At what point do we start trading with lesser amounts? So for instance, if I'm at this point right here and I have $9,420, do I trade 1/3 of that every single time? Or do I split it into $1,000 trades, which is much more manageable mentally, and then trade 9 different trades in order to get this desired result? That's sort of what I'm talking through, working through internally and mentally. That's why this says first revision, because I'm sure it's going to shift and adjust as I go. But I really want to have 3 main things. I need to know how much to trade with per trade. I need to know what my overall goal for the day is so that I can try to hit that, or at least keep that in mind. And then what my stop loss will be, and then what my take profit amount will be. So I hope this is helpful. I hope it kind of shows what my thought process is as I move forward. Today is Friday, not trading today as it is super choppy. Looking forward to Monday, looking forward to seeing what we can do then. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful in just explaining my thought process as I try to develop a plan. And so this is my trading plan on this 3x5 index card. Hope it makes sense. If you have any input, would definitely love to hear what you have to say. Just drop a comment down below and I will do my best to respond. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.